Eastern PA Weather 30 Meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for August 19th, 2016. For your Friday, mostly sunny and a gorgeous afternoon today. We're going to have very little in the way of cloud cover in the sky, and humidity values are still going to be very low today. So even though it's going to be in the upper 80s to near 90 in some locations, it's still not going to be terrible, even with that heat. Let's go over to the dew point map here. I just want to show you what we're looking at today. Generally low to mid 60s, so this is not terrible. This is not terrible at all for dew points for this time of year, for being the middle of August. This is not bad at all, especially compared to what we've had recently with those dew points that were very, very high, well into the 70s and near 80 in some locations. But that's not the case today. We're under mostly sunny skies. Very fantastic afternoon to start your weekend early if you so desire. So we get into Saturday. Dew points are going to come up slightly, a little bit, because we're going to start getting a flow in generally from the south or southeast here on Saturday. And that's going to allow for a very, very isolated chance for a thunderstorm. I think most areas stay dry. It'll be partly cloudy here on Saturday instead of mostly sunny, but still more sun than clouds, and then that opportunity for a very, very isolated pop-up shower storm, not even high enough to put into the grids, into our forecast grid. So if you look to our west here, you can see a cold front, and that's going to be coming through on Sunday, later on Sunday. This is a very powerful cold front. We've been talking about this in the last couple of videos. We'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it that's going to be moving eastward with it. That's going to come through again on Sunday, probably later on Sunday, like late afternoon, evening time frame. And when that gets here, you could have some stronger storms here, especially since the dew points Sunday are going to be a little bit higher. Let me go back to my dew point map to show you what I'm talking about. Here's a look at today. We get into Saturday, go up slightly, very slightly, so it's really not too bad as far as the comfort department is concerned here on Saturday. Similar temperatures, and then we get to Sunday ahead of that cold front. You can see what this cold front is. Once it comes through, it's a very soupy air mass, low to mid 70s dew point, so it's going to be very soupy on Sunday. Sunday will be a hot and humid day, and then we have those late day storms coming in. Let's get over to that now, so I can move this forward into Sunday. You can see this cold front moving eastward. Here's Sunday morning. Here's midday, and then here's afternoon. You can see the scattered showers and thunderstorms making it all the way across our coverage area, maybe sparing the shore points until later toward dark or maybe just after dark. But these areas here should get into the scattered showers and thunderstorms, and this is ahead of this cold front. And you can see out to your west here, absolutely nothing, because high pressure is moving in this area. There's going to be some really cool air coming in behind this. That's we haven't seen in quite some time. Now this is not going to be exceptional. I talked about that in yesterday's video. We have a ridge in the Northwest Atlantic building at the same time, so I don't think this is going to be as cool as anomalously cool that it has been out here in the plains and the Midwest. Once it gets further east, it's going to moderate somewhat. So it's not going to be a cold air mass by any means, but it's going to be cooler. And we might have some places here in the Monday, Tuesday time frame, especially on Tuesday, I think, that'll struggle to get out of the 70s for highs, which will be very refreshing. Here's that high pressure right here. This is later Monday. By the way, that front moves through overnight Sunday night. I think, if anything, maybe eastern sections have some few clouds early on, and that's giving way to sun, mostly sunny skies here on Monday, and we're fine starting the work week. Again, most of your weekend's dry. It's just at the very end of the weekend we'll have those the scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of that cold front. Not a real big deal, but we'll see what happens with that as far as severe weather is concerned. That's always a possibility, especially when you have so much cool air coming in behind it, such a cool air mass. And then high pressure sitting over the Great Lakes will move eastward. This is a look at Monday, and then by the time we get to Tuesday, it's pretty much sitting right over top of the area. I think this is the day that you're going to have the coolest temperatures to deal with temperatures not getting out of the 70s for maybe our central, all of our northern sections definitely, but I think some of our central sections will not get out of the 70s as well. So from Harrisburg to Allentown up to interior northern New Jersey, I don't think you're getting out of the 70s either. It might be pretty close. If you do, it's barely. You might barely hit 80. Down further southeast, close to Philadelphia, 80, maybe 81, 82 down here in South Jersey and Delaware. That's what you're looking at on Tuesday. And then Wednesday we start to moderate a little bit as this high pressure moves a little bit further to east, but we still have no precipitation to speak of through the forecast period of the 6-day period. One other thing I want to show you here are the dew points going into next week. This is, of course, Sunday. Look what happens by the time you get to next week. This is going to be on Tuesday. 40s and 50s. These are the dew points that we're talking about here on Tuesday. So very, very comfortable, very low humidity, just a refreshing day. It's been a very long time since we've had this. Somebody asked me on the Facebook page, specifically for the Bethlehem area, when's the last time we saw temperatures in the 70s or highs? And it's been since July 2nd, and it was one fluke event. So it's been quite some time since we've seen temperatures that cool. So it's going to be short-lived, however. It's not going to stick around. I think the temperatures go up and moderate beginning Wednesday and into the latter part of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for August 19th, 2016. Have a great Friday.